on the bus getting ready to do a tour through Viator, the New Orleans City and Cemetery tour. Let's check it out.
Tour, folks, my name is Sean. I'll be your guide. This is Keisha. Keisha's gonna be our driver. Take you guys to the city of New Orleans today. Show you every single neighborhood, including my home neighborhood of Irish Channel, Keisha's home neighborhood of 7th Ward. But before we do that, gotta give you guys the rules of the statue of Andrew Jackson. Those of you know your statues, there's something very odd about that statue. You guys know what's weird about that statue? He doesn't face forward. The normal way that statue should face would be my left. That's the river, that's the front of the square. Jackson's statue, by contrast, faces the upper Pontable building. Now, there's a reason Jackson's statue faces that way. See, Jackson would never take off his hat in the presence of the Baroness Pontable, because the Baroness Pontable was a woman of color, and therefore he did not think the normal polite thing that a man's supposed to do in a woman's presence, which is to take off your hat, applied. Now, when Jackson died, city of New Orleans was originally known as the Place d'Armes and renamed into Jackson Square. However, got all the charges dropped by agreeing to teach the son of the District Attorney of New Orleans to play the piano. Anybody know the name of the DA of New Orleans in 1973? Harry Connick Sr. Wow. That was the guy who taught Harry Connick Jr. his first music lessons. White Bill Ellis and myself both went to the same college. We both went to the University of New Orleans. Ellis Marcellus was in the very first graduating class, and I was in a much later graduating class. Ellis Marcellus used to come out to our campus the second Wednesday of every month. Number 3 cemetery. St. Louis number 3 here is a Spanish colonial style cemetery. New Orleans cemeteries are Spanish colonial style. You can find similar cemeteries anywhere Spain was in charge in the 1700s, and they had a limited amount of space. Because the type of tombs we do here, they're built to fit as many people in as little space as possible. It has nothing to do with the elevation or the water level. You can find similar cemeteries in the mountains of Colombia, hundreds of feet above sea level. All the way behind me, we have what are called the wall vaults. Wall vaults are vaults that are built into the wall of the cemetery. However, there is a common nickname for wall vaults: rentals. We'll put May in there, and we're gonna let her cook down until she's nice and well done. Think of it like chicken and pork, gotta be all the way through. Not like beef or fish, can't be seared on the outside and rare on the inside. Once done, we'll return to the family tomb. Moves away is very rare. Like, let's say, like, these tombs are usually hundreds of
This is nice. Money.
Yeah.
Scully family.
Right here is...
Right here for your Easter weekend. The songs you never hear on radio anymore. But we bring you here live. Oh yeah. Yes, thank you. Thank you. The songs of yesteryear.
This is a beautiful park.
by that is people from Florida are almost as bad as people from Texas when it comes to driving. Yeah, no, I figured you were whenever you got... Doesn't mean I'm not gonna tell you. It would be very rude if I would only tell that joke behind your back. I will tell that joke to your face. Anyway, we're making a turn now, and I'm gonna show you guys Commander's Palace restaurant. Commander's Palace is the third oldest restaurant in New Orleans. It has a 6 to 8 month waiting list. It was built in 1888, and if you guys want to get... If you want to go to the happy hour there, you get up to $3.20. That was filmed in St. Louis #1 without the church's permission. And that's why the church banned all filming from any church cemetery after this. But yeah, this is Lafayette Cemetery right here. In 1912, turned her mansion into a boarding school for orphan girls. And then as the school expanded, these other buildings were just built specifically, they were built to be school buildings, as opposed to the Louise McGee Mansion, which of course...
Home take moves like me, sit down, plant views real deep and let it grow. We can't stop this real world from spinning us. Bright lights tall, I don't blame you for picking up your big dream back down. So fast.
I'm lonesome as a log in the woods. Lady, be good to that man. Go marching in when the saints go marching in. I wanna be in that number when the saints go marching in. And when that sun refuses to shine,
DTP and not town riders, Lord of Armageddon, urban lights, dragon masters and lady nights. We got some good fellas, young brotherhood, lady twisted and new sisterhood. Disconnected them road runners, tour roads and them front runners. Got street solo killers, cafe racers, old liners in Ohio police, wildcats and them block runners, foul kids and them.
She wrote me a letter. I don't care how much I gotta spend. Gotta get back to my baby.
We're not gonna tell Dad and Jimmy about your meeting, okay?
Take a show calls right now. It's let me turn our bass player off the tape jump.
Listen, they closed at 6 o'clock. I ordered my drink at 5:58, so I had to get 2. I got the Louisiana lemonade and a dreamsicle. Both is full of alcohol. Irish
Come on, drink the beer.
They say Dolph addicted to these streets just like it's pop.